aren't doing this, you are missing out on making your videos 10 times more engaging. Whether you are talking on camera or adding a voiceover, you need to add closed captions onto your videos. You can do this on Instagram Reels or Stories, and let me show you how easy it is to do so. Hi, and welcome back to day 69 of 100 social media tips. It's super simple to add closed captions or subtitles onto your videos, so let's break it down. What you want to do is first select the video that you want to use. Say we use this video here and I want to add closed captions. First click next, and then we click this sticker icon at the top and select captions. Now we'll take some time to transcribe our audio so that it can recognize what we are saying and create the subtitles and captions accordingly. Now we have our captions here and we can adjust the way that it looks and the different style options that Instagram provides. So we have a few different versions here. What you want to do is pick one that is going to be easy to read and follow along. I personally recommend one of these two. It just makes it easier to follow along with what is happening, and you can adjust the colors of the text itself. If you pick anything that is bright or within your brand colors, you can do so, but it's just much easier to read if it is just in black and white. You can just adjust if you want it to have a background. For this, I'm going to pick this one here, size it accordingly into where I want it on the screen. I would recommend just having it at the center or just below your head. If you don't want it anywhere down here, it is going to be covered by your name and your caption or cut off in these sections here. But as well, if people are scrolling on the homepage, Reels don't come up as full screen. It is cropped in a 4:5 section. You want to have it easy for those that don't click full screen on your videos, having it in this area here just below your head. So if you want to change the words that are written within the closed captions, we can see this bubble on the bottom left side, the closed captions, and then we can go ahead in our timeline, click edit. Here you can just tap a word to edit and adjust the text accordingly and then click done. If you want to change the words again, you just click edit into the video, say 24 hours. I want to change this to 24 and then done. Now our video has closed captions. You can do the exact same thing with stories. Say that I want to use this video on my stories. Again, what you can do is just click the sticker icon and click captions. Again, it will take a moment just to transcribe your audio, and you can select a captions from the options that they have available. There we go. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.